Namaste. I'm Neelam Harjani, the founder of Inspire Yoga Hong Kong. Through my 20 years as a yoga ambassador and a mindfulness coach, I've put together this program, Awareness, the Precursor to Mindfulness. And what does that mean? It means first we need to understand what our starting point is. We need to be aware of what our predicament is. What are our energy levels like? What is our posture like? What is our mental chatter like? And based on those values, we'll work together to sculpt new behaviors to bring about the results that you want. In the past, I've seen clients report that they're so much more enthusiastic and are able to make healthy lifestyle choices by getting the right amount of sleep, by eating the foods that suit them because they're aware of the correlation to what is happening to their body and mind and the choices that they make. I hope to see you at the workshop soon. Namaste.